The Brio continues with its sporty small hatchback design, but now improved with the new front grille and bumper design both front and back. The Brio RS variant, meanwhile, gets LED headlights, DRLs, and fog lights complementing its full RS design body kit. RS grille, side sills, tailgate spoiler, crystal black side mirrors, and smoke taillights. Honda Brio dimensions and weight. Honda Brio engine and transmission. Honda Brio exterior features. Honda Brio interior features. Honda Brio safety features. Honda Brio for variants.
Thank you for watching.